let's make a cute cookie jar. You by no means will need a jar this large. You could do something even weird shaped like this, or even just a plate and kind of stack up the cookies. You've probably seen this on the Kardashians. They have ginormous ones across their kitchen, so you could call it the Kardashian cookie jar. But what we're going to be using today are Oreos, and I even found these cute little hippity hop Oreos with little bunny designs. And they've got green filling. So typically I will like to do some with different cute little Easter egg, different colorings. So get the black and white ones and some of the golden ones, but it's all up to you. It's your creativity, and any sort of cookie, biscuit, croissant, whatever you want, as long as it stacks to create that cute little flow. That's all you need. So grab your jar, grab your cookies. Now this may not be enough to totally fill it. I'm gonna mainly do the outside just for the look of it, but if you did want to fill it, you'll probably need more cookies than this. And literally all we're gonna need to do is just start lining the bottom. And depending on the size of your jar, it might get kind of funny shaped with the size of the cookies in the jar. This one, this like anchor hawking one on Amazon and at Target, fits 2, 4, 6, 8 perfectly at the bottom, so that's great. And if not, you could totally just break the cookie and put it on the back side that nobody's going to see. And then I'm just gonna start by layering the other color at the bottom. And for these ones, it really doesn't matter if you see the design or not, since we're just gonna be covering them up at the end. I know there's gluten-free Oreos. I did not get any, but I won't actually be eating these. My boyfriend can, or you can just kind of have it as like an off-limits jar of no touching. This is for decoration. So now it's getting kind of to the part where it's a little more awkward to keep it evenly spaced. So I think I'm just gonna kind of start doing less and less, I guess. And it got almost all the way full, so you could definitely fill it with some other little candies too in the middle. It doesn't all have to be the cookies itself, but there is our little cute jar for grabs, and it looks super fancy. As you can see, it is so easy to do. It takes like less than 5 minutes. Just put on a podcast, do some cookies, and you got it. So happy Easter, and here's our little spring cookie jar.